Hi there, Techalorian here. This channel cuts through all the bullcrap and gets straight to the point. So subscribe, sit back, and let's get into it.
Oh no, Grok has gone premium. But don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to create AI videos for free with 5 tools. I am also going to reveal closer to the end of this video how to get Grok back without having to pay $30, so watch the video all the way to the end. And all links and timestamps will be available for easy navigation based on your needs. So let's get into this. Tool number 1, Dreamina Capcut. Go to dreamina.capcut.com and sign in with your Google account or create an account with a different email. Add an image you want to create into a video. I am using the AI lip sync feature to create the intro for this video. You can choose a voice from the list that they have here, or you can upload your own voice. I am going to upload my own. Now, just create a prompt of what you want the character to do while it is talking, and then press the arrow here to generate. This one says it will cost 55 credits to generate, and you get 120 each day, so keep that in mind. If you run out, you will have to wait till tomorrow to continue, or you can sign in with another email and get another 120 credits. The video is done, let's take a look. Oh no, Grok has gone premium. But don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to create AI videos for free with 5 tools. So this tool is awesome. Very good quality, but it does leave a watermark when you download. So to remove the watermark, go to online-video-cutter.com/remove-logo and click Choose File. Then upload the video here. Then highlight each watermark. This one has 2 watermarks in it. Click on Apply, and then click Export to download the video without watermarks. Another drawback of this tool is you can only create a few videos a day, so let's move on to the next tool. Tool number 2 is Qwen 3.5. Go to your browser and simply type in Qwen.ai and press enter. Then click Try Qwen Chat. Then click Log In. Log in with your Gmail or sign up with your email. Then click on the plus icon and go to Create Video. Now just type a prompt and click the arrow button to create the video. Awesome, the video is done. Pretty good. You can also create videos from images with this tool too. But one of the biggest drawbacks of this tool is it does take a bit to generate, and the quality is not the best. So let's move on to the next tool. The next tool on our list is Google Flow. In order to use Google Flow, you will have to have a verified Google account. To do this, you will either need an ID, or you can take a selfie to prove you are real. Once that is done, you will have access to one of the best free tools, Google Flow, where you can make unlimited Nana Banana Pro and Nana Banana 2 images for free and update them to 2K resolution too. You will also get access to create at least 2 to 3 VO 3.1 videos per day. Starting off, you get 150 credits. And each video costs 20 credits, but the credit value goes down every day. So after spending the first 150 credits, it will go down the next day. However, you still get to create a few videos every day, so not bad. First off, one of the best features about Flow is unlimited Nana Banana images. Check this out. We can create 4 images all at once, and the cost is nothing. However, this could change, so be sure to use while you can. Okay, so let's test a video. As you can see here, I made a video down here earlier. Looks fairly good. Let's create another video with one of these dog photos. Add the image, then click the arrow to generate the video. Be sure to make sure you change it to only create 1 video, otherwise it will waste all your daily credits on 1 prompt. Awesome, the video is done. Let's check it out. Wow, that is great. VO3 is very good. So the drawback of this is, of course, you can't make very many videos, so let's move on to the next tool. The next tool is called Arena.ai. This tool is very cool because it will use all kinds of free video generators all over the web for you. So you could potentially get Grok if you are lucky enough. So on your web browser, type in arena.ai and it will bring up the site. Click on the video generation icon in the middle of the screen, then add a prompt or upload a starting image. Then click on the arrow on the side once you are done, and it will generate 2 videos at one time for you. Okay, the videos are done. Let's check them out. Awesome, not bad. Now, you can download and also vote on the one you like the best. If you vote, it will show you what AI video tool it uses, so that way if you like that tool more, you can visit that site and use it fully there. The downside of this tool is, since it is random, you have no idea if the results are going to turn out okay, and often, since it is free, they are using lower quality video tools. So let's move on to the next tool. The next free tool is meta.ai. Go to your browser and type meta.ai and press enter. You may have to sign into your Facebook to get in. Once in, click on the create icon in the left-hand corner of the web page. Notice a history of videos come up that I've created for this video. Let's upload an image that we can create into a video. Add a prompt, change it to video, and then click animate. Meta.ai is super fast to demonstrate this. I will not cut this part of the video out, and I will place a counter on how long it takes to generate. Awesome. It is done. 28 seconds. That is fast. First part of the video was good, but not the second, but I think I will blame more my prompt rather than the actual generation. Let's try again with a better prompt this time. Tip: if you want better, prompts us a AI chatbot to help you craft a better one. Okay, Gemini is done with the prompt. Let's copy this over, add our image, switch to video, and press animate. There we go, that is better. Meta.ai is free and unlimited for now, so we can always do the prompt over and over until it is right. However, let's face it, nothing was as good as Grok. Grok is super fast. Image quality is much higher. It understands simple prompts much better. And the number one thing that I feel sets Grok apart from the rest is it is super good at action scenes. Even compared to Google Flow, although Veo is good at creating super high realistic videos, at the end of the day, if you want an epic action scene, you can't really use Google Flow for that, or Meta for that matter. Still way too stiff and too many glitches. And not only that, but remember guys, we were using the free version of Grok, so the premium version is using a more advanced model. So, what am I getting at? We can't use Grok for free anymore, and when we try, it says we have to pay $30 a month. Well, what if I told you there was a way to get it cheaper? Yes, we can cut the price down by a lot by going to x.com, formerly known as twitter.com. If you have an account already, just sign in. From there, click on the premium button. Notice it says under premium you can get access to enhanced Grok. Now, I asked Grok what is the difference between the enhanced, free, and super versions of Grok, and it explained to me that when we had free Grok, we could get typically 3 to 10 images per day and around 20 or so videos. But the enhanced version, we can generate up to 100 images a day and create around 50 videos a day, which I feel is more than enough for creating videos for the price. Depending on where you live, the price can vary, but in the US, the enhanced Grok package with Premium X will set you back only about $8 a month, with the first 2 months half off. Comparing this to Super Grok, which will get you 100 to 200 plus images per day, and 100 to 200 videos per day. I feel for most people this is overkill. However, it does give you access to the higher 720p resolution, which could be worth it depending on your needs. Note that limits are not standard in every region, so you could have more or less depending on where you live. So, sign up, and then go back to grok.com and sign in with your X account, and you should now have access again. But what if you still just want it to be for free? Well, the workaround is whenever you have a 3-day period that you want to work on a video project, just sign up for the free 3-day trial of Super Grok. Then, once the 3 days are up, take your assets to a new Google account and gain another free trial. This will require a credit card, but right after signing up, you can cancel it right away. Canceling is super simple. Just click on your profile picture down below, then click on Settings, then click on Subscription, then click Manage, and then click on Cancel Subscription. It will ask if you are sure, click Cancel Super Grok. It will then ask again if you are sure, listing all the features. Press Continue to cancel. It then may display an offer you may want to consider. You can get Grok for 3 months for only $30. If you don't want to do that, just click on Lose Offer and continue to cancel. It will bring you to the billing page. Finally, click Cancel Subscription again, and then it will ask to confirm yet again. Press Cancel, and it will bring up a survey. Just click No Thanks. That is it. You canceled the subscription, but you still have 3 days to use Super Grok for free. Let's generate this video to test it out. Wow. Yeah. Now that is more like it. There you go. 5 free AI video tools and 2 ways to get Grok back. Comment below what your favorite free AI video tool is. And remember, tech is the way.
Circuits hum, I watch the cursor blink, frozen screen, cold metal on my lap, system crash, black coffee spills on the deck, power down, power up again. Tech is the way, tech is the way, code in the veins, digital rain, tech is the way, tech is the way. Printer jams, red light flashing slow, low toner.
Still here? Want more? Well, look no further. I have another video for you here.